It's alright.
Hi, bro.
Hi. Stupid.
I'm videoing. Yeah, no. Well, whatever, you're a woman. She got all this candy. See, the mint and eucalyptus? They're like mints. They're menthol and eucalyptus mint things. But you have to wait a while to find out the flavor.
Really yum.
But you should definitely buy them if you find them somewhere. Because they're really yum and they're really cheap.
Go buy them.
Buy them if you can find them. If you're in New Zealand, they're at the warehouse. But if you're somewhere else, I have really no idea. Might be an NZ company, but I'm not really sure.
They might be at
Sunny.
the airport, because that will be like...
We're at the Sound of Thunder going to bike racing because my dad is racing his motorbike, obviously.
Yay.
Because that's what you do at a motorbike racing. You race your motorbike. So that's what you do. You know?
Dad is racing, yay! Oh,
That's what I told them already, by the way. Yep. So it's too far away now. Sound like a baby. Where is he? There he is.
Lightweight, stomach right now, please. You know, shit, yeah, I'm trying to simple. I reckon it's a brilliant place. Well, it's definitely a hotel as well as the whole thing.
Bloody gone. There he is. Where did he go? Why is that stopping? Don't worry about it. They go out. You know that.
Wonderful all around, lovely, no dust bombs. And out the front, then Corson on the red, number 25.
Number 25, there's Dad. Number 25 is Dad.
Fuel is in third. It looks like Sutherland jumped all the way up. Second
And Murray Sutherland's dad's best friend.
That first corner, Robin Struthers is well back in third, and chasing him, but Ben Corson, Murray Sutherland, the current president of the Essendon Festival.
Dad's currently first.
I
can't find him.
A lot of riders coming through now, still good side by
You got
side.
Yeah, Dad's first.
Go away, flies.
I lost them.
There's a bit of rider achievement out of what goes. There's 5 lap of pairs now. Boys got to keep a cool head.
Yeah.
On the outside, Corson on the inside, on the man in the middle, lost on the third, up to the
Hey Mum, can you give me updates every few seconds of what placing he's in, so that I can actually track him?
See him that far away.
You can see the colour.
He really wants to beat Murray. Okay, he's in second now, behind Murray Sutherland.
I just want you to tell me so then I know
Really?
where to film.
Absolutely.
No, where to film.
Okay,
You don't have to give me like
absolutely has to pass Murray.
Just Ducati aren't
Beat
doing it.
Murray in this race.
They need better.
Oh, he just
Like the bikes are pretty
Well,
good, but
if he comes second, he still might win the round, but because there's 3 races and he's won 2 of them already.
Where are they?
But it would be nice to get
Where are
3
they?
first. Way down there. He's already won one race yesterday and 1 race this morning. And here he comes.
he almost punching almost one.
Come on.
What's something? I was like, oh. We used to watch it all the time.
They were just about touching elbows. I think he's in first. Yay, he's in first. For the 3rd time. Murray probably stuffed up.
Yeah, Murray.
No, Dad's working hard.
Or maybe Murray just screwed up and Dad kind of got to it.
All Dad has to do now is not make any mistakes, not miss a gear.
Well, yesterday he missed a gear,
Yeah.
but he still won.
did Murray.
Yeah, but he still won. I can't find them. How's it not looking good? Where is he?
Fantastic for your assistance, and we appreciate it greatly. Beautiful thing, and out on the track, first and second, bit of dispute going on there pretty close. So many riders, they do skate out for the 10 field. Sweeping hard out on the fully cranked right hand to down maximum lean and getting into the upper end of the, still only in the middle of the gearbox. Later on, Howard Safety, one heard that view on the radio just a minute ago, showing how KT is to get going, and it might be 2 months on the big ahead of him. Pretty good going to those guys, because Howard's international and big bus and most of it all. He's nearly run all Howard's wide there in the grass, flipping.
Lauren, do you want Dad's ice cream? No.
Doing well. Nice up cloud so far, 12 minutes on the part of all the
People wouldn't see that.
Where is he?
Murray's about 2 point Glen.
Always a surprise package and always
Denny's just
enjoyable
about
pleasure
past
to
the
indulge
sky.
in. There's not a lot of things, some ambiguity in that statement, and as we call it, this we've got out here.
Go, Daddy,
That's
go.
why the
Yep.
organisers of
He's
the
got it.
meeting appropriate lap time to match the Aussies and the Kiwis without having anyone dominant party. Level playing field. So this is what we're calling the TT, but it's a big surprise for the outfit like the Conti Cup. So this is the fantastic challenge, ladies and gentlemen. And so far, Howard Savey, who we heard on the radio, is pushing Pete Bus down there pretty hard. This is the locals first.
Can't see them.
Hopefully not. Oh, look, oh, Howard's up to it. Pete,
What happened?
down the outside. Great race in these guys.
Where's Dad?
Now going on out there. He's going to try around there with Pete Bus and Little River on the Lindsay Williamson supported victory. Howard's going around the outside of the bike and Pete Bus is going to have to charge hard down the straight, but he's got a big plus 696. The real time zone, I stand out in front of him here as we go along. Give me Mark's hard on his tail. Maybe Jimmy's wheel.
Go.
Go, dear, come on.
White flag is out. Coming out to their final lap. Red horse is chasing hard out against the deck right there. Out Chicken flag coming out the green out there. Side by side of the coming on the straight. Pink bus just a front on the side and Jimmy Martin coming on the traffic line of fourth place.
Something wrong with that girl. Yep. So, hey Jelliers, we've just been to my auntie's house for my uncle's birthday and